What we're doing here today is a program called Athletes Code. We've done it at Super Bowls, we've done it in a lot of different spaces. And so we're bringing this here to you guys because we want to make sure you guys got good information, y'all have a little fun, and y'all get something out of the Super Bowl being here.
So what I want to talk to y'all about today is taking advantage of all the opportunities that's in front of you, regardless of the circumstances that you face, because we all face them.
The CSU and UC requirements to get into your state schools here today. Can somebody name a CSU for me? San Jose State. It's great. San Diego State. Let me get one more. One of my favorite CSUs, San Francisco State.
We're gonna dive into this code window a little bit. So it's the full play from start to end. It ends right there, and you can see it's everything that we tag. So right, we have a first down, run, tackle, and then 5 or more yards gained.
I learned a lot. I learned how to code. I learned how to edit videos on football, like how do I get into the details and stuff and annotate them. I had met a few college players. They gave me some good advice on how to get my name out there and be on the radar more.
Over here today, we have some very fun activities for y'all. If you've never done anything with robotics before or programming, that is our forte.
Over, this way, over, up, this way. Okay, 360.
Today was actually a good day. I learned a lot of new things. I met a lot of college athletes today and pro athletes and that were in the NFL. And they gave me life advice. So I want to thank SPAAT for that and thank y'all for coming out.
We do this because of you all, without question. This panel is here to give you information to make sure that there are opportunities for you in the sporting industry.
So remember who you are, lock into who you are, and be everything that you expect yourself to be.